The 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a luxury apartment on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this isn't your average RV. It's sleek, futuristic, and designed with the perfect blend of adventure and elegance. Whether you're parked on a mountainside or driving through the city, this motorhome demands attention. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a high-end living space. The interior is spacious and thoughtfully designed, featuring premium materials like soft-touch leather seating, natural wood trim, and ambient lighting that creates a cozy, upscale vibe. It's like a luxury hotel suite, only with wheels. The living area features a comfortable L-shaped sofa that converts into a guest bed, a mounted smart TV, and full 5G connectivity so you can work or stream on the go. Mitsubishi has taken smart living to the next level by integrating home automation. You can control lighting, climate, blinds, and even appliances with voice commands or through a central touchscreen. The kitchen is equally impressive. It's fitted with a residential-style induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a deep stainless steel sink, and a full-size fridge. There's even a built-in coffee bar and a wine chiller, bringing true luxury into mobile living. Now, let's talk about the bathroom. You get a full standing shower with glass doors, a modern ceramic toilet, heated floors, and a backlit vanity mirror. It feels more like a spa than a typical RV bathroom. At the rear, the master bedroom is designed for rest and relaxation. It features a queen-size memory foam bed, bedside USB ports, wireless charging, and full blackout blinds. There's plenty of storage, a smart TV, and even mood lighting to set the tone for a peaceful night after a long drive. The exterior of the Mitsubishi Motorhome is just as advanced. It has automatic slide-outs that expand the living space at the push of a button, and rooftop solar panels that charge the onboard battery system. The hybrid powertrain offers strong performance with better fuel efficiency and lower emissions, making it perfect for long-distance travel. On the road, the driving experience is smooth and secure. The cabin is equipped with a digital instrument panel, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree cameras for easy maneuvering. It's built on a lightweight, durable chassis, ensuring both strength and fuel efficiency. In short, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome redefines road travel. It offers the comfort, convenience, and class of a modern apartment, all in a mobile form. Whether you're chasing sunsets or working remotely across the country, this motorhome is the ultimate travel companion for those who want luxury on the move.